I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which I'm going to get into my bowl here. Then I'm going to grab my butter. This is unsalted butter, and this is 3/4 of a cup. And I've cut that into cubes, and this is chilled. I'm going to get that into my food processor as well. I'll get all of my salt in there also. And then we're just going to pulse this. This is a really fast recipe. Grab my little pulse button here, and I just want to break the butter up until it's about the size of peas. So what this is doing, it is covering all of the little pieces of fat with flour. Okay, that's good. And then, our last step, I know, from experience that I need 7 tablespoons of ice cold water. Okay? And this is a total of 7, so I'm just going to pour all of that in there. And now I'm just going to pulse this together until it starts forming a ball. And all of a sudden, it starts all coming together. And that's it. Perfect. We can remove that now and create our little discs. I'll get a little bench flour down. This is just all-purpose flour. And then I'm just going to grab this up. And I just want to work it a little bit. And now I'm going to split this in half into 2 discs. The secret to making really good pie dough is not to overwork it. Okay, you don't want to play with it too much. I am going to create 2 discs. I want to get them as round as possible. And if you don't like vegetable shortening, my all butter recipe here, you'll really enjoy. And I always like to flatten my discs out a little bit because I find it just makes it a lot easier to roll out when they have chilled down. And when you're using pie dough, you want to chill these down for a good hour before you use them because there is gluten in there that has, developed while we were making this, and we want that gluten to just relax, and that just gives a much nicer dough, okay, in your final product. And my last disc, just give it a little press. And now, I'm going to pop these into my fridge. Chill those for 1 hour and you're ready to go. My recipe makes a very, very nice pie shell dough. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.